Hello, welcome to Mattie and Mae Bow YouTube page. Like, comment, subscribe. We're getting Mattie washed up and Mae. Sorry for their hands cut off. I was trying to do multiple things at once. But we're gonna get started with the video. We're doing a packing. Say hi. This is Mattie and this is Mae. Show me your bows. Pretty bow, looks like a hat, and then she has the yellow and white bow, and she has a chosen, and she has a cookie, but it's not released yet. So I was just messing around. So we have this beautiful bow that I ended up making for Mae or Mattie. I have another one I have to make for her, and it has the scrunchie band. So I thought it was so cute and colorful and rainbowish. Okay, so what we have today is for Malika's nieces. Now, this is one of her niece's school colors, orange, white, and black. Do you see the colors?
The color?
What color?
Orange, white, black.
Orange, white, and black. And I did a scrunchie band on her bow, just so she can put her hair in a ponytail and wear it. This is her soccer team color, actually. And so we have this for her. And then her sister, her older sister, likes, her favorite color is blue. So we did just a blue satin and silk, I always say, but I believe it may even be polyester. And we just did a scrunchie band on that, just a regular band. And so we have that for her. And they are no ma'am, you know better. You're just doing stuff. It's time for bath. We've already eaten dinner and it's time to go night night. So we're gonna package it up, and I am going to give the card. Take one and pass one. Be sure to take one and pass one. So I'm going to put more than one of those in there. And then I'm going to have the tag. And I have to give her a comment card. And the comment card is going to be so that, because she's a part of the Prelaunch, and that way that'll let us know what we need to improve on, what she likes about the bow, what she doesn't like about the bow. Just give us some feedback. And of course, we're going to add the sticker to it. So we thank you and appreciate you, and it's gonna show up in your pink baggie, and we're not gonna wrap that right now, but definitely I really like this bow. Tell me what you all think from the video. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say have a blessed day and a good night.
Good night.
All right. So that was dinner time, and it was time for them to get ready for bed. But I do want to discuss, this is a scrunchie band. When I first made them, I want to see the difference between the black one and the purple. For me, I think I like the purple more. It's a little bit thicker, and they seem to be the same length, and the black one is a little bit slimmer or thinner. But we have these colors, and that one is just on a regular scrunchie band. And I have these colors, and I'm trying to figure out the best way to pack these two bows. I did a pack on camera last time, and it worked out perfectly, but I had to go and look and look again and see how I packed it. But I have it take one and pass one, and I have the YouTube page, the Instagram, the TicTok that we do like for you all to follow and show your unveiling on video if possible. We would love to have some feedback, good or otherwise. And I want to roll with having the pink, the colors of Mattie and Mae bows. It's pink and purple, and Mae is pink and Mattie is purple. So I just wanted to make sure that I had it wrapped correctly, and I'm sticking them back in just to take a look and see if that's the right or correct wrapping method that I do want to use for like individual bows, like one or twos, or bows that I didn't box. And this bow was not boxed, so I wanted to try that out and see how it worked, and I think I do like that. And then I have the hot pink bag, and I'm just putting it in there with I was trying to see which position did I want it. Did I want it this position, or did I want it the other position? And so that's all I'm trying to see about all of that. So when you give me feedback on everything. I really would appreciate it. I was just thinking, if I'm gifting some free items, I could just get some feedback. So I'm showing us mailing the packages, trying not to show the addresses, of course. And then the other box is the one where we have our first order, and we're so happy, and we just like to say thank you for the order and thank you for taking time out to view and look. So again, thanks for watching Mattie and Mae Bows. Like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good